It's actually not really that scary. It's sort of actually fun a little bit.
I would tell him it's fun.
Tell him it's like a big massage.
Alright, Becky, hold still for me. Good. Take a deep breath in. One more time. Good. Last one.
I'd say, well, it's really not anything to be scared of.
It's not scary.
Here's this way. Great job. Okay, take a deep breath in. Good. One more. It's a tender one. Your face leaning again. Alright, can you bend down and touch your toes? Ooh, yeah. And back up. Yeah. Good job. Alright, deep breath in. Make your ears go crazy. Okay, looking straight ahead. Hey, Nini, can you take a deep breath in? Bigger.
I would say that they should be adjusted because it would help them, and getting help is really good. One step further. I tell them it's okay. Parents will get you healed.
There's nothing to be afraid of. I like getting tested.